The 10 worst foods for inflammation. Inflammation is a natural response of the immune system, but chronic inflammation can lead to a host of health issues. Welcome to the Fast Vegan. Here are the top 10 worst foods for inflammation, as identified by expert sources. Sugar. Consuming too much sugar can increase inflammation. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found a link between high sugar intake and increased inflammation markers. Be sure to like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. Processed foods. Processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, artificial additives, and sugar, all of which can contribute to inflammation. Harvard Health suggests avoiding processed foods to reduce inflammation. Refined carbohydrates. The Mayo Clinic states that refined carbs, such as white bread and pastries, can promote inflammation due to their high glycemic index. Fried foods. According to the American Heart Association, fried foods can increase inflammation due to their high levels of trans fats and unhealthy cooking oils. Red and processed meats. Healthline reports that red and processed meats contain high levels of saturated fats and other compounds that can contribute to inflammation. Sugary beverages. A study in the Journal of Nutrition found that sugary drinks such as soda and sweetened fruit juices can increase inflammation markers. Artificial trans fats. Trans fats, found in some processed and fast foods, can raise inflammation levels, according to the Harvard T.H. Chan School of Public Health. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to inflammation, as it can damage the liver and gut lining. The Arthritis Foundation suggests limiting alcohol intake to reduce inflammation. Dairy. Some individuals are sensitive to dairy, which can trigger inflammation. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, suggests monitoring dairy intake if you're prone to inflammation. Gluten. For people with gluten sensitivity or celiac disease, consuming gluten can lead to an inflammatory response. The Celiac Disease Foundation recommends avoiding gluten if you have a sensitivity or intolerance. It's essential to remember that everyone's body is different, and what may trigger inflammation in one person might not affect another. Consult a healthcare professional to help you identify and avoid your personal inflammation triggers.